So I'll be showing you how to connect your Sony XM6 headphones with any Android phone. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is put the headphones in Bluetooth pairing mode first, okay? And to do that, make sure the headphones are off, and then you can long press on the power button for about 5 seconds until that light next to the power button starts blinking rapidly like that. That means the headphones are in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now with the headphones in Bluetooth pairing mode, you can now go to the Bluetooth settings of your Android phone. So for me on this Samsung, I'll just go to settings and then connections and Bluetooth. So under available devices, as your phone is scanning for available Bluetooth devices, the WH-1000XM6 headphones should get detected, as you can see. All right, so tap on them. You should see that pairing request. You can tap on pair, and then they're gonna get paired and connected for calls and audio. And you can even see the battery percentage there. Okay, now if you want to, you can also go to the Play Store and find the Sound Connect app. So just go to the Sony Sound Connect app. So just look for that app, and this is the official app for these headphones from Sony, and you can go ahead and install that app. And with the app installed, you can now hit open to launch the app, and then just go ahead and set it up. So of course, there's going to be a region there. You have to read the end user license agreement and then tap on start. And then you have the privacy policy, which you have to read, and then tap on next, and then agree and proceed to that as well. And then you have the data use for marketing by Sony. You basically choose what you want. All right, so I'm just going to agree and start using. You can receive important notifications by allowing notification settings. So okay, allow Sound Connect to send you notifications. Now that's personal choice. You can allow or not allow depending on you. Cannot connect to Bluetooth. Close that. Cannot connect to Bluetooth to use audio devices. Please allow access to nearby devices. So I'm just gonna click OK, and then I'm gonna allow access to nearby devices. You have to allow that. So let's wait for it to connect. And then click OK. Now there's going to be a prompt to sign in to your Sony account. You can do that later. And then you can restore. Now, if you had backed up data and settings from a previous set of Sony headphones, you can restore those, or you can continue without restoring, depending on your situation. And then you have the adaptive sound control options. And then you can go to tutorial, but you can close the tutorial anytime. Okay, so you can see the headphones are well and truly set up on our Android phone. Now, installing the app allows you to do extra things like changing some of the settings, like you can go into device settings and access the equalizer settings and stuff like that. But you don't have to use the app to use the headphones. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.